who knows, maybe your one day becomes your day one. So today's Sunday, and Sunday is my day off. And usually, I would just rest. Tapos, nasa bahay lang, mostly. And then, while preparing for breakfast, I saw a thing that made me realize na I should be grateful for the little things that I had. Basta, something. So what I saw was this one, Coco Crunch. And so, I have a student na she's selling Nestle products, and napagkwentuhan namin about Coco Crunch because for me, it's like a status symbol when I was still a kid. I remember, bata pa lang ako and nagka-cutting pa ako sa klase. Then, while watching TV, I can see Coco Crunch. I can see Coco Crunch sa commercial. And during that time, di namin afford bumili ng Coco Crunch because hindi siya staple food, let's say. And then, I remember watching it and parang for me, mga mayayaman lang makakabili ng Coco Crunch. And fast forward to now, I realized na I can afford na pala bumili ng Coco Crunch. So yeah, it just made me realize na malayo pa, pero malayo na. So parang in application, it's like before we can't afford this type of product, but now kahit pa lima Coco Crunch. So ayun lang. So I'm just grateful for today because it made me realize na there are things in life na we just taken for granted, but when we try to look back and when we try to reflect, we have so much to be grateful for. So yun lang na-realize ko for today. I just want to share this video because it's for me, it's like a motivation na kahit pa ang dami na nating problema, ang dami ng babad na tayo sa problema, or we are soaked with different types of problem. Yeah, just don't lose hope. Just keep moving forward because who knows, maybe your one day becomes your day one. That's it. So yeah, take your Coco Crunch and happy Sunday.